Xtra Edge Pro camera. I just picked this up. I am a content creator, so I have a lot of cameras. And my primary camera that I use for most of my YouTube stuff is my GoPro. Now, the issue with this GoPro is low light indoor shooting, and it's getting winter out. I'm gonna be shooting a lot more inside, and I always have a problem with this shooting indoors. I'll tell you right off the bat, this thing is like amazing indoors as far as a point and shoot. So what I was looking for was just a point and shoot kind of camera. It's got a giant rear camera or rear screen here. It picks up even at nighttime. The pictures still look good, pretty good. And because what I was looking for was just a quick point and shoot kind of camera for just quick videos, no editing, make the video, upload it, okay? This has almost a 50 gig hard drive just built into it. You can also expand it. So of course I have other cards in there. You know, I have a 250 gig card in there or 60, whatever it is, but I've been using the internal memory. To get the footage off in like a batch, which is also another problem. So I was also looking for a camera that I can quickly shoot, make all my videos in batches for TikTok, whatever, Amazon, whatever, then quickly grab them off here and upload them. Went through a bunch of different cameras. I would either have an issue with indoor lighting, or I'd have an issue with batch uploading, or just viewing the thumbnail on a computer. Now, this thing works great. You just open up the little door here, which is actually the weirdest thing. I have the hardest time opening up this door. There it is. And you plug it into a computer with a USB-C, and simply you can, with my Surface laptop here, I can simply just go into the folder of the camera, grab everything, drag it over into my Windows computer, which I really like. Then I can batch upload it to YouTube, TikTok, wherever I want to batch upload it to. So that part of the workflow is flawless. It works great. The feel of the camera is amazing. I think it just feels really good. It's like real solid. It does have a little bit of weight to it. It's definitely heavy, but I don't care. I'm using it on a tripod. The mounting hardware is really neat. It just clips on. The screen, or the option screen, is extremely well designed. So it's very, very like snappy, you know, and I use those other cameras. I know how they work, but you can see here I'm shooting in 4K. I can easily scroll through. I can get to the menu, which, oh my gosh. Here's the menu. It's got a bunch of options. One of my favorite options is that you can actually edit the quick view. Like these, I can actually remove all these extra ones so I don't, like, by mistake, go in time lapse and do 50 videos in time lapse and then go and have all my footage ruined. So I really like that. It's just simple. I can't tell you enough. I mean, if you're just looking for a simple, and also you can get crazy with it. So I can go back if I want to change like ISO, I can go into Pro and have all these different settings. So I think for the price point and the quality of this, I'm extremely happy. I had to make a video on this. I would say try it out. It's I think a very good camera. You know, now the one thing I would say that I don't like about it is that I wanted to buy some extra batteries and maybe a couple extra mounts, and they're all sold out. You can't get them on Amazon. You can't get them on the Xtra camera website. So that's kind of scary that like they don't have stuff, but they do have some extra like filters and things like that, which I'm not gonna use. I'm literally was just looking for a quick point and shoot camera that I can use indoors. Of course, you can use outdoors. I can't imagine the outdoor quality of the video being any worse. The sound is also, I don't need to worry about any kind of extra mics or anything like that. I think the sound is perfect. Right now I'm shooting on an iPhone, but you know, getting stuff off of an iPhone onto a Microsoft computer is a pain in the butt. Then you can't view the thumbnails. It's a mess. So this thing I'm just like very excited for. I currently have it turning off on whenever it's in idle. For 30 seconds, it just turns off. You can also set the camera here in the back, which is something that's kind of annoying when you have someone filming you. This will like just go like that, but you can have it to never. So if it's recording, it'll never turn that back off. There's just a million options. I think it's got more options than I'm ever gonna need. want to say also the front facing camera is really nice as well. You know, this part here. So I can see myself if I'm recording. Now, the one thing I did notice, and I haven't been able to figure out, the screen on the front shows less than what the actual screen is showing. So in here, I can only see, you probably can see more, I can see from like here to about, on the front to about here. But I bet it goes all the way over, you know. I don't care, as long as I'm in the center of it, then I'm fine. That's all I need, or whatever I'm recording is in the center. So I guess I just wanted to get on here real quick, make a video showing how happy I am with this thing, because I have just bought so many cameras off Amazon in the last month and returned them. And this one, within 2 minutes, I knew that it was going to work. The other ones, I was just trying to force myself into keeping. And also the price point. Things like, I think I got it for $250 or $260 on sale. The price point's insane. You know, if this wasn't going to work, I was actually going to upgrade to that $800 Sony content creator camera. I forget the brand. But yeah, I'm just really happy with it. I hope that they're going to make batteries that you can buy though, because I definitely going to need some spare batteries.